Ever wondered if you can just swap out that Twilio phone number for your personal one to manage all your communications? Let's dive into why that's not how Twilio numbers work. The core reason you can't directly replace a Twilio phone number with your personal mobile number lies in how Twilio is designed and the very purpose it serves in the world of communication. Think of Twilio as a sophisticated bridge. It's built to enable your applications like websites, chatbots, or customer service systems to programmatically interact with the global telecommunications network, your personal phone number. On the other hand, is designed for direct, human-to-human communication. Twilio numbers are essentially virtual gateways. When you get a number from Twilio, you're acquiring an endpoint in their network. This endpoint is specifically provisioned to receive and send communications initiated by your code or services, not directly by you picking up your personal phone. Your personal number is tied to your specific SIM card and mobile carrier. Account it's your direct line. Twilio's numbers, however, are managed within the Twilio platform. They are rented assets that Twilio uses to route incoming calls and messages to your applications and to disguise the origin of outgoing communications from your services. So, when an application uses a Twilio number to send a message or make a call, it's the Twilio number that appears to the recipient, not your personal number. Trying to replace a Twilio number with your personal one would be like trying to use your home address as the official return address for a large shipping company, a circumflex euros. It fundamentally misunderstands the role and architecture of each. If you need a new number to use with Twilio, the process involves acquiring another number through the Twilio console. You can then configure this new Twilio number to work with your existing applications or services. Ultimately, the distinction between a Twilio number and your personal number is about function and infrastructure. Each serves a completely different, yet vital, purpose in today's connected world. Twilio number's phone number